In this little video, I'm going to show you how you connect your XK01 using your phone. So before we do that, let me just show this little example of how it looks like. So we have the XK01 here, and that is the one that we want to connect to the internet. And then we have a symbol for you here. So you're the actor here that's connected to your phone and to your laptop, and you're going to use your laptop for your Teams call. And because you're using your laptop for your Teams call and you have to use a device to set up the XK01, you need a device that you can use that's not being connected to the internet. I'm going to show you that a little bit more, but that's the reason why I have two devices here. These two devices are connected to your Wi-Fi router at home, and the Wi-Fi router are connected to the internet, symbolized with this planet here. Okay, so how does it look like when we connect? Well, so first of all, you're gonna take your phone and you're gonna connect that to the XK01. Once you turn the XK01 up, you get some instructions on the screen that you can follow, and then you can simply follow this on the screen and connect your XK01 to the internet. I'm going to show you how you do that, but this is the process. Now, the XK01 is not connected to the internet, so that connection as symbolized here does not exist. But the XK01 seems like a Wi-Fi router the way you connect to it, but there is nothing on the other side. It's just like the end of the line with the XK01 when you connect to it with your phone. But you're going to use that to configure the XK01 so it then connects to your Wi-Fi router. And once you've done that, there's no need to be connected to the XK01 anymore from your phone. So you're simply just going back and connecting straight back to a Wi-Fi router again. Okay, so how is that going to look like in real life? So let's try it out. So I'm going to turn on my XK01 here, and it comes up here with a little screen where it shows the hotspot you have to connect to. So the hotspot is this Wi-Fi router that it's symbolized to be, and there's a password and there's an IP address. So I'm going to take my phone and connect. So I have my phone here where I can click here on Wi-Fi, and you can see here under my networks, the second one says XinaBox _ some number. Since there's only one, I'm going to click on that. And as soon as I connect to it like that, my phone says client connected. Now, in this case here, it connects straight to the right screen. But if it doesn't do it, if you just sit there and it doesn't go to the next level, then go into a browser and put in the IP address 192.168.4.1. You're going to have to try to remember it. It's on the little screen before you connect to the device. So there's two buttons here, configure device and configure Wi-Fi. So choose the configure device and then the configure Wi-Fi afterwards. The two last button is just in case. So we go to configure device, and the first one here, I'm going to call it Bjarke Gottfredsen. Actually, I'm going to only call it like my name. I suggest you just shorten it, and then I have a company name here, organization, so it suggests XinaBox Limited, that's fine. I'm saying save, and then I get the option here to configure the Wi-Fi. I click on that button, and then you can see there's two Wi-Fi connection points. There's the direct, and there's the one called XinaBox. The first one is actually a printer, and the second one is the Wi-Fi I want to connect to. Underneath you can see there's a STEM server, it defaults to XinaBox, so don't change that, just leave it on XinaBox. And then the SSID and password we fill in now. The easiest way is to click on XinaBox up under the different Wi-Fi connection points, and then it comes up with a password, so you type in your password. So I'm doing that. And then I say save, and then on the screen it then automatically reboots, and it goes back to the original Wi-Fi on my phone, as you can see, and I get this green light that tells me that I'm connected. And if I wait a little bit longer, I will also get some data on my screen showing that the readings from the different sensors. Thank you very much.